And once it tagged 10200, you see how it bounced up about 10 points there? The overall key to this trade is, again, we are on the 5-minute chart on dollar CAD. You can see that there's a support level at 102.18. See, just based on the Bollinger Bands alone, I'm not saying that's all I use, but just based on the Bollinger Bands alone, when you see it break the first band and test the second band, your immediate target for remember, your scalpers first, your immediate target should be that 102.18 area. Now, let's say in a perfect world, you're not going to make, you wouldn't make 18 points, but realistically, once you start at 8, positive 9, you start closing positions for profit. Okay? And again, traders, I am looking at my 5-minute chart, dollar CAD. At the same time, on an overall, traders, you see the L7 line on your 5-minute chart, dollar CAD. You can see which direction it's pointing. And you can see why, at the same time, the top band is really starting to turn, but the bottom band is still pretty much open. So that tells me that when you see, just based on Bollinger Band analysis alone, that just tells me right there that the price should kick up, most likely to 18, but it will continue to travel down. Look at the bottom band; it has not made that turn. At the same time, look at your L1 line and your L3 line. On the more intermediate time frame, you're going to see that dollar CAD will continue to fall a tad more, most likely to 101.75, which is a level I have marked here from a couple of months ago. Good morning, Jay. So you see that if that first bite of the cherry at 10200 on dollar CAD, and this works well with dollar CAD, by the way. So one of my dollar CAD does respect this type of movement. It's actually very predictable, because if dollar CAD doesn't come and test 18 fairly quickly here, then expect the momentum to continue down to 101.85 or 75. So basically, if it doesn't happen right away, just get out of it. And again, like we spoke before, when we met here at the office, it's you get out with either -2 or +2. But whatever it is, make sure you're exiting. And this is just one way of how I feel you can minimize losses, max out profits.
¿Qué decir del dólar CAD?
En el dollar CAD, en el 5 minutos, en el chart de 5 minutos, lo que va a ver es que ya que tocó, se salió de la banda, ya que tocó 1.02, tiene que volver a 1.0218, y si no pasa rapidito, pues entonces salir para evitar una gran pérdida. Puede ser que tengas menos 2 o 3, pero no importa, de eso eso es poca pérdida. Lo que no queremos es que, si miran la L7 y la L1, eso está para caerse más. Eso es lo que, perder 2 puntos es mejor que perder 20.